check them out.
That's awesome.
Now make some noise to the wild style. Now this next one is going to start at one end of the mat, go all the way to the other side of the mat. Now this is a photo opportunity, so if they got cameras up, keep them out, because if I mess this up, I'm not going to try it again. Some of y'all might have seen me do this on America's Got Talent, but we didn't win. We lost to the Gay Cowboys.
Gay Cowboys.
Yeah, that's right. Yeehaw. Here we go. Lil Pepper's up next.
You know he was going to go straight over there.
Yours $20 for that lap dance. Hey, you know what they say? Once you go right, your credit go bad.
I don't know what he says.
We call this simply amazing.
You good, man.
Oh.
Nice! Nice!
Take him out. Nothing else out of white boys. Now Wild Style's gonna show y'all the Wild Style windmills. His signature move, nothing but the forehead in the back, y'all. Check him out.
Damn!
Yeah. Y'all make some noise. Now hold up, since we got a nice little audience, we want to show y'all something dangerous. So if y'all ready for some danger, say yeah.
Yeah!
Say oh yeah.
Oh yeah!
Now this next move is so dangerous, it goes by the title of the 6 moves of death. Now when we say 6 moves of death, we need all of y'all to go, ooh. Now, as he gets his hat and his pad ready, it is now time for the 6 moves of death. I like that. Now this is how it's supposed to go. I'm going to come out here and I'm going to start it off with a 1-leg hop, directly upward to a head spin, non-stop. Everybody say non-stop.
Non-stop.
Then I'm going to try to do a head spin using 2 hands. Non-stop. Non-stop. Then switch to 1 hand. Non-stop. Non-stop. Then possibly no hand. Non-stop.
Well, that's us.
And then I'm going to try to go really fast, like a spinning top. That's right, fast like a spinning top, without using my hands, without using my feet. Hopefully I should speed up and still be spinning on my head, which is supposed to be done. Everybody say it. Non-stop. Now, if I get all of these moves correct, and if you guys enjoyed the show so far, remember, this is the way we make our living. Yeah. That's why we have 2 boxes there. Yeah. 2 boxes there. Yeah. That's because we take $5 bills, $5 bills, $10 bills, $10 bills, and for all the white people, $20 bills. Hey, what's black people? We want 30 from y'all. Y'all with them video cameras. We looking right at you. Don't act like we wasn't at the family reunion, alright? So we're going to pass these boxes around and collect insurance money for the 6 moves of death. Ooh. And y'all keep this in mind that your donations will keep us out of 2 places. The Bull House and your house. So everybody get ready as we come around and y'all get ready to check out the finale, y'all. Here we go.
Now they're getting everybody's money.